Valentino shoes. Today we are talking about Valentino shoes. Please stay with me. Hello ladies, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you are new visitor to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do review of luxury items. Mostly I do review about handbags, accessories, shoes sometimes. That's what I'm gonna do today. It's shoe, and I usually try to do my modeling shots along with the explanation of the item. So therefore, please consider subscribing. If you're a return visitor, thank you very much, guys. I truly appreciate all your feedbacks. I truly appreciate all your comments below. Please don't forget to put your comments if you like or dislike something. I'm completely open to constructive criticism. So today's video is going to be about my Valentino shoes, and it's going to be more of the reveal because I already unboxed it, but I put it back inside as it was before. And believe it or not, but these items I purchased during the Black Friday. Some of them are like, not actually, both of these items been purchased over the internet, but I'm going to tell you a little bit of story. So the first item, this is the Valentino sneakers, and that's the information about the sneakers, and I'm gonna unbox them and tell you a little bit story. So here's the box. I actually like packaging of Valentino. The box is very sturdy, and as I said, I already opened it, but that's pretty much how it comes, packaged like that. So here's the dust bag and two additional booklets. I would say this is actually extra studs if you're gonna lose the studs, and in this little booklet it's a care instruction or care information about this specific item. And I purchased these shoes over the web directly from Valentino website. And that's the shoes, and they are sock style sneakers. They're definitely spring summer kind of looking sneakers. I'm gonna get closer to the camera. This is actually hole through. Let me just remove tissue from the inside. You can see, so these holes are like, you can see through, and they're like makes these actual sneakers breathable. Not that the fabric isn't the breathable, but I guess more comfortable and breathable. You have little stud at the back, and it's combination of kind of fuchsia, burgundy, ballerina pink, and white color. They're extremely comfortable. Story about these sneakers. So obviously I have the second one, and I'm gonna do my modeling shots, guys. I'm gonna insert my modeling shots as well. Story about these sneakers. Black Friday, I purchased these sneakers in Toronto at the Holtz, and like, I mean, I got very good price. I believe they were 40% off, and in Toronto we have 13% taxes. So 13% taxes is actually quite a substantial amount of dollars, right, on the sneakers like such. And I already purchased them. I had them in my possession. Obviously they're summer sneakers. I didn't wear them or anything like that. And then I checked the website, and the website shows pretty much exactly the same price in Canadian dollars, and it looks like free shipping, etc., because quite often for Canadian we have to pay an additional shipping, an additional charges for the custom, an additional tax charges, etc. And it looks like, you know, shipping, taxes, charges, everything is free. I thought, like, you know what, it's too good to be true, to be frank. But they charged me. I received the package and I didn't have to pay anything extra. So pretty much by purchasing, this is from the website, I saved 13% on taxes. And like, I mean, on these sneakers it was about $91. so which is very good amount of money, right, to save. I already saved 40% of original price, plus I saved on taxes, so it was very good purchase. I'm looking forward obviously using these sneakers all summer, spring, fall. So I guess I have to buy more pink items, because I always keep saying that, hey, you know what, I'm not pink lady, I'm not pink lady. I do have those some pink. I'm just looking in my closet over there, and I have actually 3 different skirts in pink. I'm more at the bottom pink, not at the top. So anyway, I guess I have to buy more pink items for spring and summer and fall. So this is my first sneakers that I purchased from Valentino. So this is my first unboxing. My second purchase, once again, they're Valentino, but I ordered them from Louis Via Roma, and it comes in this very large box. And I already wore, I just want to show you how it actually comes from Louis Via Roma. Obviously I didn't even try to attempt to do the proper packaging, but it was very neatly wrapped, and you know, with the ribbons and everything. And inside, once again, gorgeous Valentino box. I'm gonna come closer to the camera. And as I mentioned, I already actually wore them before. If you watched my video about me being invited to Louis Vuitton Christmas or holiday party, and actually my meeting of Benoit Louis Vuitton, so that was the shoes that I was wearing for that specific occasion. So, and this is the packaging. Once again, the same things. It comes with a dust bag, the extra studs, and the care booklet. And this is the boots. And as I mentioned, I already wore them a couple of times. So that's how they look like. Quite simple, but very practical. I'm just gonna get one boot. They're very practical, so obviously quite rugged bottoms, so very safe for winter. Gorgeous studs, rock studs. They're very simple, but at the same time very pretty. And you know, like when they're on a feet, they actually sparkle and make, like, you know, any feet look really pretty. And as I said, you know, it's very easy to look pretty in the summertime or springtime, etc. It's quite difficult to look pretty in winter time, because everything is so bulky, everything is so heavy. And when it's -20 outside, believe me, you have to put layers. What I love about these boots, they look very sleek and classy, but when you look inside, and I will show you guys, when you look inside, it's actual sheep fur. It's actual sheep fur inside. You can see they're extremely warm. So that's what I said. I was wearing them. The weather is extremely cold. It's minus temperatures, but I was very cozy and very warm wearing these boots. Would I wear these boots for every day? No, I don't think so, because once again, they're fairly expensive for everyday wear. But as I said, on a special occasion in winter time, when you still want to be very stylish looking, they're absolutely gorgeous boots. And I got them on a Black Friday, and I got exceptional sale on these boots. I believe I got altogether about 40%, 40 or even no, I think 40% off these boots. Absolutely adore them, love them, have no regrets of purchasing. Already wore them several times. And I'm gonna once again insert my modeling shots so you can see how they actually look like on me. If you guys have any questions or any comments, please do not hesitate. Put your questions and comments below. There is a few more items that I'm kind of looking from Valentino, and I want to purchase them. And What is the name of the shoes? Valentino Rockstud pumps. Isn't that crazy? The classic Valentino Rockstud pumps, but I'm thinking I'm more of getting it in the mid-high heels or kitten heels, because I know the high heels, they look very pretty, and everybody is saying, oh, they're comfortable. I mean, no high heel can be comfortable, sorry. They may be comfortable for a couple of hours, they're not comfortable for 5, 6 or 8 hours. I don't know, unless somebody has like really an extreme pain tolerance. But anyway, the pumps are still on my wish list. I want to get pumps. Not sure about the color. I don't want to get another black, just a standard black, but then you know, you never can go wrong with the black. Anyway, so this is my 2 pair of Valentinos that I unboxed for you guys today. Hopefully you like this unboxing. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate, put all your comments below. I will answer all your questions, and I really love receiving your comments. I guess this is going to be the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video and if you like the channel. And until our next meeting, bye bye.